Hey everybody, Morzak EV here, back with another one of those 2-minute Tesla videos. And today we'll be telling you how to change your pedals from this to this. Roll the credits. Welcome to Morzak EV, a channel dedicated to all things electric vehicles, electric vehicle charging and all related technologies. This video is part of our 2-minute Tesla series where we talk about quick modifications and how-tos for your Tesla Model 3. Now you can put your stopwatches away because we can't guarantee it will be exactly 2 minutes, but we'll keep it as short as possible. So the pedals that we went for were these Top Fit Model 3 pedals, which we bought off Amazon for £26.99. That's around $30. We went for these because they seemed to be the best balance of cost and good reviews, as well as having the look we wanted to go for. It's a bit hard to tell from the footage here, but they're a nice brushed stainless steel finish, and they have little rubber grips so you have good grip on your foot pedals. They are the same shape as the existing pedals, so we'll show you how to fit them now. So in terms of difficulty level, it's not a difficult job, however, it is extremely fiddly, and you will need some time to get the fitting right. Now I will stress again, it is very fiddly, so you need to be patient. I will be fast forwarding through a lot of the footage because, as you'll see, it took me quite a while and it took quite a few attempts to get both pedals right. Holy! So when you're doing it, just be patient, persevere, and you'll get it right. So we started with the accelerator pedal. This is a little bit easier, partly because it goes over the existing pedal as it is. I found the best way to start doing it was to get two sides in first. For myself, the bottom and the left, and then use my fingers to peel back the top and right hand sides and try and slip those over. Again, persevere, it's fiddly. And eventually, it went in, and once it's in, it won't go anywhere. So, once the accelerator pedal's done, the next step is the brake pedal. Before putting the brake pedal on, you need to remove the existing brake pedal rubber cover. You'll notice that these aftermarket pedals have exactly the same shape on the underside as the existing Tesla rubber pedal cover. That was a bit of a mouthful. So I used almost exactly the same technique to get this pedal on, slipping the left and bottom sides in and then peeling back the top and right hand sides to try and force it on. Because of the size and shape of this one, it is a little bit more tricky. I think the phrase I would use is be forceful but gentle. But again, keep persevering and you'll get it. So, it's as simple as that. Let us know what you think. Do you like the look of the pedals? Is it something you're going to try yourself? Leave us any comments or questions in the comment section. We'll also be leaving a link to the pedals that we purchased. But again, always shop around and find the right deal for yourself. If you like the video, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of more of our 2-minute Tesla videos or any of the other videos that we're doing. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.